welcome back to the channel Mr. Hasnainx. My name is Hasnainx and I am going to teach you about the car techs. So especially we will move with the basics. So I have 3 years professional experience as a technician in Volkswagen and Toyota. So the channel niche will be related to the car techs only. So from today we will start with how does a car moves. So what is a car? What is a car? A car is nothing but a thing which moves from one place to the another place. So, suppose it is a place and this is a place. The car helps to move from one place to another place. So, in this, how does the car moves is the main topic. So, we are starting with the basics. So, we will start gradually. Then we can go deeply the sensors, the engines, how does the engine works, the pistons, the rings, and many more things. So, firstly, there are very types of transmissions like the front engine, front wheel drive, rear engine, rear wheel drive. So, we will start with that. There are several things. Suppose this is a car. This is a car. So here comes the engine. Okay. So in front engine, front wheel drive, there are things such as the engine. The engine power moves to the transmission. So the transmission will be here in some vehicles for the rear wheel drive engines. So some vehicles have on this side. So we will start with the front engine, front wheel drive. So the transmission will be here. So there are two differentials, one for this wheel and one for another wheel. So the front engine, front wheel drive. So in the second thing, front engine, rear wheel drive. So from here, the engine and the transmission, the power moves from the engine to the transmission, then to the propeller shafts, and then it goes to the differential. So the differential is located here. So from here, there are two axles, one moves to the another wheel and second one moves to the another wheel. Front engine, front wheel drive, front engine, rear wheel drive. These are the two types. Then comes the third thing. The same thing, the engine moves to the back side. When the engine moves to the back side, the same thing is happen. The engine transmits the power to the transmission transmits the power to the drive shafts, and it supplies power to the rear wheel drives. So, how many types? Front engine, front wheel drive, front engine, rear wheel drive, rear engine, rear wheel drive. In another way, there are 4 into 4. So we call all wheel drive. So in this, the engine is located in front side, the transmission is located to the rear end side, then the drive shafts and the propeller shafts all together becomes all wheel drive. So it helps the vehicle to climb the mountains, the hills, and many more other things. So this is the simple basics. So we are starting with the simple basics. Later we will go on to another things and I will upload more videos and many other things I can upload on this channel itself. So there are 4 types. Front engine, front wheel drive, front engine, rear wheel drive, rear engine, rear wheel drive, front engine, 4-wheel drive. These are the types of drives on a car. So on the later videos, we will discuss about more things, more complicated things, and many more other things. So today it was the end of the video. So from today itself, I have been started on working on these systems because I have experience in many more other things. I will gradually move to the other things. So this is the end of the day. Tomorrow or in the next video, we will discuss about how the engine transmits power to the wheels. Thank you.